Engender. Meaning, cause or give rise to, a feeling, situation, or condition. Synonyms: arouse, beget, foment, induce. Sentence: the restaurant hoped the act of giving out free ice cream would engender customer loyalty. Proclaim. Meaning, announce officially or publicly, indicate clearly. Synonyms: affirm, profess, declare, trumpet. Sentence: she proclaimed that she will run for governor. Acrimony. Meaning, bitterness or ill feelings. Synonyms: animosity, antagonism, rancor. Sentence: the decision was reached without acrimony or controversy. Sterility. Meaning, the quality or condition of being sterile. Synonyms: infertility, impotence, infecundity. Sentence: they say that mumps rarely causes sterility. Abstruse. Meaning, difficult to understand, obscure. Synonyms: esoteric, perplexing, intricate, convoluted. Sentence: some critics dislike the abstruse plot and deliberately enigmatic ending. Denigrate. Meaning, criticize unfairly, disparage. Synonyms: belittle, deprecate, besmirch. Sentence: no one is trying to degenerate the importance of a good education. Nebulous. Meaning, of a concept, vague or ill-defined. Synonyms: ambiguous, indefinite, imprecise. Sentence: she has a few nebulous ideas about what she might want to do in the future, but nothing definite. Clement. Meaning, of weather, mild, of a person or their actions, merciful. Synonyms: balmy, temperate, moderate. Sentence: because of the clement May weather, they were optimistically wearing pastel summer dresses. Sizable. Meaning, fairly large. Synonyms: colossal, humongous, whopping, monumental. Sentence: there was already a sizable gap between her wagon and the one in front of her. Substantial. Meaning, of considerable importance, size, or worth. Synonyms: consequential, hefty, extraordinary. Sentence: she purchased her tickets at a substantial discount. Alacrity. Meaning, brisk and cheerful readiness. Synonyms: eagerness, fervor, keenness, ardor. Sentence: she accepted the invitation with an alacrity that surprised me. Indifference. Meaning, lack of interest, concern, or sympathy. Synonyms: insouciance, coldness, callousness. Sentence: she was amazed that some people can watch the trial with indifference. Circumscribe. Meaning, restrict, something, within limits. Synonyms: delimit, hem in, delineate, confine. Sentence: people do have autonomy, but it is always circumscribed. Wield. Meaning, hold and use, a weapon or tool. Synonyms: brandish, flourish, manipulate, maintain. Sentence: he wields a great deal of influence over his students. Monotony. Meaning, lack of variety and interest, tedious repetition and routine. Synonyms: tedium, boredom, ennui, sameness. Sentence: the brief storm was a relief from the monotony of the hot summer afternoon. Bulwark. Meaning, a defensive wall, a person or thing that acts as a defense. Synonyms: fortification, rampart, parapet, bastion. Sentence: My savings were to be a bulwark against unemployment. Paradigm. Meaning, a pattern or model. Synonyms: archetype, prototype, exemplar, gauge. Sentence: with the advent of the internet and the DVD format, a new paradigm in movie rentals was born. Inquisitive. Meaning, having or showing an interest in learning things, curious. Synonyms: prying, agog, eavesdrop, scrutinize. Sentence: bears are very inquisitive and must be kept mentally stimulated. Deferential. Meaning, showing deference, respectful. Synonyms: reverence, civil, submissive, obsequious. Sentence: Jethro met his gaze with a small smile and deferential bow of his head. Poignant. Meaning, evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. Synonyms: touching, moving, emotional. Sentence: it is especially poignant that he died on the day before the wedding. Endangered. Meaning, of a species, seriously at risk of extinction. Synonyms: imperil, threatened, jeopardize. Sentence: the site of this foundation, however, became endangered by encroachments of the sea. Facile. Meaning, ignoring the true complexities of an issue, superficial. Synonyms: glib, jejune, pat. Sentence: he is a wonderfully facile writer. Honorific. Meaning, given as a mark of respect but having few or no duties. Synonyms: appellation, epithet, cognomen. Sentence: he was given the honorific title of national chairman. Prudent. Meaning, acting with or showing care and thought for the future. Synonyms: sagacious, judicious, politic. Sentence: he always listened to her prudent advice. Recommence. Meaning, begin or cause to begin again. Synonyms: recapitulate, re-establish, proceed. Sentence: courses have stopped for the summer, but will recommence in September. Truncate. Meaning, shorten the duration or extent of. Synonyms: curtail, lop, telescope. Sentence: although the director loved all of his film footage, he had to truncate the movie so its runtime would be less than 45 minutes. Encomium. Meaning, a speech or piece of writing that praises someone or something highly. Synonyms: eulogy, panegyric, accolade. Sentence: Paula finds painting so therapeutic that she has written an encomium, celebrating the art form. Condone. Meaning, approve or sanction something, especially with reluctance. Synonyms: disregard, take no notice, overlook. Sentence: the state does not condone violence. Torpid. Meaning, mentally or physically inactive, lethargic. Synonyms: sluggish, inert, languid. Sentence: he became torpid, bloated and horrible to look at. Insouciant. Meaning, showing a casual lack of concern. Synonyms: nonchalant, unruffled, indifferent. Sentence: he sometimes seems insouciant to the point of carelessness. Phlegmatic. Meaning, having an unemotional and stolidly calm disposition. Synonyms: composed, tranquil, impassive. Sentence: as a football player, his great asset was his calm, phlegmatic manner. Scotch. Meaning, decisively put an end to, wedge, someone or something, somewhere. Synonyms: crush, wreck, clobber. Sentence: I hope that he can scotch that rumor. Spur. Meaning, a thing that prompts or encourages someone, an incentive. Synonyms: stimulus, impetus, goad. Sentence: lower interest rates should spur economic growth. Incapacitate. Meaning, prevent from functioning in a normal way. Synonyms: debilitated, disabled, immobilize. Sentence: the stroke left her completely incapacitated. Middling. Meaning, moderate or average in size, amount, or rank. Synonyms: passable, mediocre, lackluster. Sentence: the Beatles enjoyed only middling success until 1963. Prescience. Meaning, the fact of knowing something in advance, foreknowledge. Synonyms: foresight, clairvoyance, augury. Sentence: he predicted their response with amazing prescience. Obloquy. Meaning, strong public condemnation. Synonyms: vilification, opprobrium, censure. Sentence: his controversial essays have brought him much obloquy. Plucky. Meaning, having or showing determined courage in the face of difficulties. Synonyms: intrepid, spunky, valorous. Sentence: it was plucky of you to chase after the burglar. Subversive. Meaning, seeking or intended to subvert an established system or institution. Synonyms: inflammatory, seditious, insurgent. Sentence: there was intense suspicion of the potential of these subversive ideas to capture the minds of the people. Palliate. Meaning, make a disease or its symptoms less severe without removing the cause. Synonyms: temper, assuage, deaden. Sentence: the drugs palliate pain but have no effect on inflammation. Omnipresent. Meaning, widely or constantly encountered, widespread. Synonyms: ubiquitous, universal, predominant. Sentence: the sound of sirens was an omnipresent background noise in New York. Circuitous. Meaning, of a route or journey, longer than the most direct way. Synonyms: winding, serpentine, tortuous. Sentence: the cab driver took them on a circuitous route, to the police station. Innervate. Meaning, make someone feel drained of energy or vitality. Synonyms: devitalize, enfeeble, prostrate. Sentence: the army had been thinned by desertion, and was enervated by long ill discipline. Eclectic. Meaning, deriving ideas, style, or taste from a broad and diverse range of sources. Synonyms: encyclopedic, Catholic, multifarious. Sentence: he bought the car to add to his eclectic collection of vehicles. Impertinence. Meaning, lack of respect, rudeness. Synonyms: insolence, incivility, impudence. Sentence: they were denounced for impertinence and disloyalty. Quirky. Meaning, having or characterized by peculiar or unexpected traits or aspects. Synonyms: eccentric, idiosyncratic, bohemian. Sentence: we've developed a reputation for being quite quirky and original. Efficacy. Meaning, the ability to produce a desired or intended result. Synonyms: effectiveness, potency, competence. Sentence: the efficacy of these two treatments was high at 96%. Vacuous. Meaning, having or showing a lack of thought or intelligence, mindless. Synonyms: deadpan, inscrutable, inanimate. Sentence: he had a vacuous expression on his face. Seminal. Meaning, strongly influencing later developments. Synonyms: influential, pioneering, imaginative. Sentence: Steve Jobs' inventions were seminal in the world of technology. Enchant. Meaning, fill someone with great delight, charm, bewitch. Synonyms: captivate, enthrall, mesmerize. Sentence: she soon realizes that the place is enchanted, and that she is unable to leave it.